आज हम पढ़ते हैं कि जो राज्य सरकार है वो कैसे काम करती है, ठीक है। प्लानिंग आउटकम्स, who is MLA, working of the government, a debate in the legislative assembly. We know in this chapter that how the government functions and discusses ideas of representation, accountability and public welfare. Though both the executive and the legislature are presented, one should not expect students to retain fine distinctions. It would be best to patiently encourage them to ask questions such as who is the most powerful person. Why can't the MLA solve the problem? Each such queries will enable them to construct a sense of the government apparatus. Who is MLA? अब ये MLA होता कौन है? Members of the Legislative Assembly, ठीक है, MLA are elected by the people. लोगों के द्वारा चुना जाता है ये. They then become members of the Legislative Assembly and also from the government. In this way, we say that the MLAs represent people. The example below will help us understand this better. Every state in India has a legislative assembly. Each state is divided into different areas or constituencies. For example, look at the map below. It shows that the state of Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituencies. From each constituency, the people elect one representative who then becomes a member of the Legislative Assembly, means MLA. You would have noticed that people stand for elections in the name of different parties. So these MLAs therefore belong to different political parties. तो ये क्या है, different जो parties होती हैं उनसे खड़े होते हैं ये इलेक्शन में बंदा और वोट द्वारा जीतते हैं. How do people who are MLAs become ministers of or chief minister? A political party whose MLA have won more than half the number of constituencies in a state can be said to be in a majority. So the political party that has the majority is called the ruling party and all other members are called the opposition. For example, the Legislative Assembly of the state of Himachal Pradesh has 68 MLA constituencies. Candidates from various political parties won the 2017 assembly elections and became MLAs since the total number of MLAs in the Legislative Assembly is 68. So a political party would have needed to have more than 34 MLA in order to gain a majority. So the Bharatiya Janata Party and BJP with 44 MLAs had the majority and it became the ruling party. All other MLAs became the opposition. In this case, the Indian National Congress, INC, was the major opposition party since it had the largest number of MLAs after the BJP. Among the opposition were other parties, including those who had been elected as independent candidates. तो ये दोनों आपस में opposition है एक दूसरे के, BJP और कांग्रेस. तो after the elections, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader, who will become the chief minister. In this case, the BJP MLA chose Shri Jainam Thakur as their leader and he became the chief minister. So the chief minister then select other people as ministers. After the elections, it is the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and other ministers. The chief ministers and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments of ministers. So they have separate offices. Our legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from the opposition, meet to discuss various things. Hence, some MLAs have dual responsibilities, one as an MLA and the other as a minister. We will read about this future. A debate in the Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly is a platform where MLAs from the ruling and opposition party meet and debate in different topics. क्या होता है, आपस में इनकी debate होती है, बहस होती है different topics को लेके. कुछ negative, कुछ positive points होते हैं, positive side होती है, कुछ negative side होती है, तो सारी चीजें discuss होती हैं. All MLAs meeting in the assembly has complete right on expressing their opinions and asking questions. ठीक है ना, सबको right होता है, अधिकार होता है अपने opinion रखने का और questions पूछने का. During this time, MLAs can express their opinions and ask questions related to the issue or give suggestions about what should be done by the government. So those who wish to can respond to this. The minister then replies to the questions and tries to assure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. The chief minister and other ministers have to take decisions and run the government. We usually hear about them or see them in the news channels or in the papers. However, whatever decisions are being taken have to be approved by the members of the Legislative Assembly. In a democracy, these members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent, etc. They have the main authority. MLA1. I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service. ORS packets are being distributed. So the government is doing everything possible to help people. MLA2. My constituency of Tolpatti has a serious shortage of water. Women travel up to 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. How many tankers have been put into service to supply water? How many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected? अब ये जो debate होती है वो इसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है. Now MLA 3. In my constituency of Akhanda during the last 3 weeks, there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea. I think it is a shame that this government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea while proclaiming itself to be a champion of technology. So I would call the attention of the minister in charge of health to take immediate measures to control the situation. अब MLA 3 जो है अपना point of view रख रहा है, अपनी बात बता रहा है. MLA 4 अब वो अपने एरिया की बात बोलता है. My question is why are government hospitals in such a bad situation? He say कि जो है government जो hospitals हैं उनकी इतनी खराब व्यवस्था क्यों है? Why is the government not appointing proper doctors and other medical staff in the district? I would also like to know how the government plans to deal with this situation, which is affecting a large number of people and is also spreading. This is an epidemic. MLA 5. The opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government did not pay any attention to sanitation. We have now taken up a drive to clear the garbage that has been lying around for years. MLA 6. We have very poor facilities in hospitals. There are hospitals that do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for the last few years. So in another hospital, the doctor has gone on a long leave. This is a shame. I think the situation is going from bad to worse. So how are we going to ensure that ORS packets reach all families in the affected areas? जब डॉक्टर ही नहीं जाएंगे काम करने, वो अपनी जॉब को सीरियस ही नहीं लेंगे, तो कैसे ये काम होगा, कैसे बीमारियां हटेंगी? So the members were debating the action taken or not taken by the government. This is because the MLAs are together responsible for the work of the government. In common usage, the word government refers to government departments and areas ministers who head them. The overall head is the chief minister. More correctly, this is called the executive part of the government. So all the MLAs who gather together, assemble in the legislative assembly or called the legislation. They are the ones who authorize and supervise their work. As we saw in the earlier section, it is formed among them that the head of the executive or the chief minister is working of the government. The legislative assembly is not the only place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action is demanded. You will find newspaper, TV channels and other organizations regularly talking about the government. In our democracy, there are various ways through which people express their views and also take action. So let us look at one such way. Soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. Large number of people from different newspapers were present. The minister and some government officials were also present. The minister explained the steps the government had. Reporters asked many questions. जो reporter होते हैं, news reporter, at the meeting. These discussions were then reported in different newspapers. The following page has one such report. During the next week, the chief minister and the minister for health visited Patalpuram district. So they went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospitals. The government announced the compensation for these families. So the chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one of sanitation but also of a lack of clean drinking water. He said that a high-level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the needs of the district to provide sanitation facilities and would request the Minister for Public Works to take care of the needs of proper water supply in the region. The people in power, like the chief minister and the minister, have to take action. They do so through various departments like the public work department, the agriculture department, the health department, the education department, and so on. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the Legislative Assembly and convince people asking the questions that proper steps are being taken. At the same time, newspapers and the media widely discuss the issue and the government has to respond, for example, by holding the press conferences. The government can also decide to make new law for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. This act of making law on certain issues is done the Legislative Assembly of each state. So the various government departments then implement these laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. You will read more about the parliament next year. In a democracy, it is the people who elect their representatives as members of the Legislative Assembly, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. The ruling party members then form the government, and some members are appointed ministers. So these ministers are in charge of various departments of the government, such as health in the above example. Whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by the members of the Legislative Assembly. Okay, so all topics are covered in this chapter here. I hope you all are very well understand this. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.